Love Stories 12x12x12 Triangle Sunshade Sail Canopy is one of those simple outdoor upgrades that actually feels like progress. It's lightweight, looks neat over a patio, and the Amazon listing right now shows it available around $23.99. Prices vary by seller. The product page also lists a strong 4.5 out of 5 stars from 9,424 reviews, so you know a lot of people have already tried it. On the spec side, it's legit for everyday shade. Love Story says this triangle sail is made from 100% new 185 GSM HDPE, offers up to 95% UV protection, and ships with corner D-rings and ropes. Basically the essentials for a tidy install and breathable coverage that keeps things cooler without trapping heat. They also offer a ton of sizes and custom orders, so you can size it to a deck, pool or carport. User feedback backs that up. Reviewers praise the value, shade coverage and sturdiness for the price, while a minority remind you it's not a waterproof tarp. It's permeable by design, so expect airflow and plan anchors carefully. Editorial write-ups and product roundups highlight the same points: durable stitching, stainless D-rings, and good sun-blocking performance for casual backyard use. If you are looking for an affordable, low-effort way to add shade, this Love Story sail is a solid pick. And yes, we share buy links in the description box so you can grab the exact size color I used in this video.